Hi, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Just wanted to give you a little heads up. I am still working on putting the reading schedule in the actual, calendar, but I wanted you to know that the weekly components are illuminated so you can see which novel we're reading during which week. You can also see during which week our midterm, obviously our final falls during finals week. So um, what you should keep in mind until I get the entire schedule posted is that each week you're going to have a quiz, a discussion, and a dialogue journal discussion, which is worth more points and a little more complex. That the dialogue journals are meant to foster critical thinking and kind of less conversational and more academic, if you will. And they're also great practice. All of these discussion boards are superb practice for if you're going to engage in the GWR. Let me also say, since I'm on the topic of the GWR, I've posted in I almost said PolyLearn, and we haven't. You guys might not even know what PolyLearn is. It was a module we used before we went to Canvas. So I've posted some information about the GWR in our course modules. But what you should know is that you're going to have an opportunity, several opportunities. Your primary opportunity is going to be in if you see in the course materials or assignments, there's something called a research project expanding the canon. All right, and so I'll have more information about, but that is a writing project that you will be able to write, peer edit, revise, get feedback from me, and hopefully use that to pass your GWR. You'll have, I think, 2 opportunities during the quarter. That's a really good one. I would concentrate, if it was me, I would concentrate on that assignment. I'm going to post the instructions for it probably next week, but I'm going to make it visible so that you have all quarter. It's going to be due during finals week as well, okay? But you have since this is sort of a self-paced course, you have all quarter, to complete that assignment and turn it in, okay? So you don't need to wait until finals week to do it. The self-paced part of this course, the asynchronous part, enables you to work on it at your convenience and submit it whenever you're ready. You don't have, like I said, all of these are, that's a due date that almost everything I post, you can absolutely turn in early. You do not have to wait until drop dead due dates. Something says it's due Saturday and you're ready, turn it in today. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that I'm aware that you're needing the reading schedule, and I hope just at least illuminating the weeks, even though the content isn't revealed, that you can kind of see what you're in for each week and when to have which novel ready. We're going to start with Heart of Darkness, which is, some of you have read before. It's a bit of a laborsome read. It's short, but this is what you're in for with this course, is reading novels. All right, they're not like short stories. They're not like poems. So you just got to kind of, get ready and kind of hunker down. And if you can listen to them, if you're the type that can listen to them, on Audible or something, then do that. But I would prefer that you read the novels and perhaps take notes as you're reading them. Monday or for the next module, I'll be posting kind of a mini lecture, several mini lectures about modernism and about Conrad's Heart of Darkness. And so we will really kind of get going on week 2. All right, I hope this has helped add some clarity. Again, it's an asynchronous course. I'm kind of learning by doing, figuring out what you guys need, since I don't ever have times to talk to you. Also, I would encourage you to use my office hours, even if you just drop in to introduce yourself, or maybe you just have these kind of questions like, hey, PK, what exactly is involved with the GWR? Last thing I want to say, I posted a link to Cal Poly's source for the GWR. If I were you, I would go read everything about it, okay? So it's not incredibly hard to pass, but if you have been in a major where you haven't been writing much, you're probably going to need to brush up on your composition skills. Okay. So that's the reality. I'm not trying to be, a, a scaredy, scare you straight kind of thing, but that is the reality that we English teachers teach, composition and argumentation and, kind of get everybody, up to snuff, so that they're all prepared to write at the college level. And then often many courses don't require much reading or much writing. All right. I hope this helps, and I will talk to you later.